Hello, welcome back to my vlog. Hi, I am Keisha. This is the Kmart Show where I do vlogs about my life, my small business, and everything that I've been doing. Guys, this year has been just a lot. It's been so much. Living in America it's interesting times. It's every day, guys, every day. You wake up and it is something. It is very much something, especially if you pay attention to the news and you pay attention to what's going on. It's just so depressing. It's so depressing because it's never you wake up and there's good news. It's literally something every day. So you just do the best you can, and that's basically what I'm trying to do. School started back, and I have another accounting class. And if you watch my other vlogs, you know I hate math. I hate anything that has to do with numbers. But I kind of have a good vibe about this accounting class. Speaking of that, I need to go home and do my homework. I need to finish my accounting homework and continue my job search. I have until the end of March to figure out what I am doing. So funny. Mango peach, and then thank you. And then I want to try the cream. Are you buying anything? Ice cream. This is the sole reason for me coming here. I wanted to try this and the little cream puff. Hopefully it's yummy and tasty.
I tried the mochi. I don't like the red bean.
I don't like red bean. I'm not a huge fan of mochi. Oh, they got all the crackers. Some what? No, thank you. No, thank you.
Is that upstairs?
Yeah.
It is. No,
What I'm looking. How much? 17 for that? You must be insane.
You want I pay $30 for it?
I I swear, ever since I find out about oxtail, the price gone up.
But look at that nice piece of tomahawk. But
Yeah. $12.99 a pound. That look like it's about what, five? How much pound? Oh. This is really cute. I really like the market so far.
That is so freaking good.
She likes it.
I love it. Sure, I got more. Like you said.
Oh my god, I can't. Okay. How do I?
Yeah, just pop it. Right.
Oh, that's yummy.
Definitely. Oh, wow. Sure, I got more.
Yeah.
Shit.
Okay, I get the hype. The hype was real. It's very good.
Freaking good. Can I have yours? Thanks.
Oh, I like that.
How about the 3-pack?
I'm happy I got the peach one too.
I get the peach.
Oh my god, y'all. A snowstorm is coming. And it like just started. And it's so bad out there. I thought we were safe, but we're not. We're not safe at all. Chicago. I'm tired of the cold and the snow. Y'all look.
When I tell you I was so scared because this storm just came out of nowhere and my windows kept like fogging up even though I had like the window defogger on or the heat for the window on, it wasn't helping and I couldn't, and I already cannot see. Y'all know I cannot see. And then to add the snow, the water, the ice, and my windows are fogging up, I just had to pull over because I was struggling out
I
there.
hate driving when a snowstorm is just starting because then the roads are a mess. The salt trucks haven't come out yet. The visibility is trash. I hate it! And that is what's happening right now. Even though the visibility isn't that bad, like I can still see, but the roads are crazy.
My twins big like Tio. My twins big.
I don't think that I can correctly describe to you guys how much I love me a good crab boil. The crab legs, the eggs, the corn, the potato, the sausage, like, oh my gosh, I love me some crab legs. If crabs go into extinction, it's because I ate them all, as bad as that sounds. But I love, 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 love me some crab legs.
Like she's not gonna care. And that's why I cooked. I made her curry chicken and boiled dumplings before I left. She was in there, literally. I made 4 big ass boiled dumplings. She ate all 4 of them.
Boston is like, no.
I love me an egg.
I can't do a boil at the moment. There's funny things up. Other things are boiling.
This is a cute little area.
So far from me.
Huh? In the summer.
My lovelies, I hope you enjoyed watching today's vlog. Please like, comment, share, subscribe, and I'll see you next week. Bye.